started as a simple idea, just lines on paper, and somehow it became part of everyday life.
It is so comfortable here. A good bed comes from Dunlopillo.
Come, let me show you where comfort really began. In UK 1929, there was a time when progress wasn't rushed.
The air is quite refreshing this morning, isn't it?
Yes, a perfect start to the day.
It was built through patience and close attention. In a quiet workshop, E.A. Murphy studied natural latex, how it moves, how it supports, and how it always returns to shape. Through careful testing, he found the perfect balance. Not just softness, but strength. And that's how something entirely new was born, the world's first latex foam. This is how they earned its place.
All the seats are made by Dunlopillo.
From the halls of the UK Parliament to the speed of the bluebird. No bold promises, just a story backed by history. An idea like this was never meant to stay still. From UK, it travels into European homes, into grand hotels, into everyday rituals of rest. As Dunlopillo continued to grow, Picolin Group, one of the world's largest bedding manufacturers, helped shape our next chapter. With strong manufacturing facilities across Spain, France, and South America, Dunlopillo becomes more than a name. It has become familiar in over 40 countries. In the late 1950s, Dunlopillo established its presence in Malaysia, setting up latex mattress and pillow manufacturing facilities alongside Singapore. This marked the beginning of its journey in Southeast Asia. Then Vietnam joins the journey, driven by innovation and a commitment to quality. Dunlopillo's legacy of comfort spans continue in the market, including Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, China, and Hong Kong. For nearly a century, Dunlopillo has continuously advanced its sleep technologies, from advanced spring system like NormaBlock to fabric enhancements such as Cool Silk, and a range of proprietary latex from Dunlop, latex to advanced latex such as Talisilver Wave Gel, and more. Because life changes, the expectations grow, the comfort has to keep up. Today, Dunlopillo reaches further through global export, from South Korea and Taiwan to the Philippines, Laos, and the Middle East. Through digital connections, through homes and hotel, our product and services continue to serve strong markets around the world. Dunlopillo keeps moving forward and never stops. Always moving, always improving. Our products continue to serve strong markets around the world. From childhood nights filled with dreams to the days that demands more of us. Dunlopillo giving you a charged morning as your new beginnings in a day. Through every chapter, through every change, Dunlopillo has been there, quietly supporting life as it unfolds. Dunlopillo walks you through every stage of life.